As a man, your number one goal should not be women or your addictions, but it should be making money and having a successful career. So today in my video I'm gonna break down how to actually do that. Step number one, cut out all distractions. Stop playing video games or cut it down maybe. Uh, Video games take away hours or even days at a time. So why would you waste your time? Why would you waste your time playing video games when you could be crafting? Second thing, number two, right? So choose a business model that you could do even while you're rich. That you, if you were rich, then you would still do it regardless. For example, content creation. If I was rich, I would still be doing content creation because I like to do it. I like to give advice. I like to teach as well. But I would never become a school teacher because I see all the stress that they go through. I'd rather teach you guys here on YouTube. Third thing is having a healthy lifestyle, going to the gym, eating healthy, having a good diet will automatically contribute to your success. May have you make you have more energy, teach you about discipline, increase your motivation, and you have more things to talk about. If you're fit, if you go to the gym and you have if you're in good shape, then obviously you're gonna actually have more things to break down. Like I'm breaking down how to have high testosterone, how to get a better physique and all that. You can do the same, but you just need to actually start. The fourth thing is have a motivator. My motivation personally is wanting to retire my parents, wanting a better lifestyle, and generally everyone wants to become rich, but you really have to have a personal motivator which will actually help you when you want to make money as a man. And the fourth thing is taking action. Most people won't even start. They'll think about it like a little pussy. You know what I mean? Don't be a pussy. Start the business. I'm doing YouTube right now. I made an effort to start. That doesn't give that should give you a good reason to start yourself. Most people will basically procrastinate for like weeks, years at a time before they even start a business or try to start a business. Don't be like them. Those are the 90% of people. Prove to yourself and oh, the wind. Prove to yourself and to me that you're not like them. You're at the top 10%. If you start a YouTube channel, you're already at the top 10% of people. Fifth thing is do not get distracted by the lack of recognition from your business. When I started YouTube, or even now too, well, I'm not really big, but I know that I will be big in the future if I keep trying. If you start your business and you're getting no buyers, maybe it's not because your business is trash. Maybe it's because you're advertising to the wrong audience. Like if I go sell meat products by the vegan area, it's not my product, it's the area. Change your audience, your area. Keep oh my god, I'm gonna have to cut that out, man. Another thing is it's not all about the motivation, it's about the discipline. Motivation will only get you so far, but discipline will carry on forever. Anyways, that was the end of the video. See you guys next time.